ये सारी जो हैबिट्स है ये उनके अंदर पाई जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्मोकिंग, स्पिटिंग, chewing, sneezing or coughing over any food, eating in food preparation, food storage area. They must trim their nails and hair periodically. तो इसमें स्पिटिंग, च्यूइंग, स्नीजिंग, तो ये जो तीन जो टर्म्स हैं, these are actually properly prohibited, as well as there are certain penalties also which are moreover implemented by the government. तो अगर आप कहीं पे थूकते हुए पाए जाते हैं तो आपके ऊपर जुर्माना लग जाएगा. खांसना तो है ही नहीं. इफ somebody is coughing over anywhere, then that area must be cleaned and disinfected immediately within the 2 meter of the radius of the person. उस पर्सन के आसपास का जो 2 मीटर का एरिया है उसमें क्लीनिंग और डिसइंफेक्शन तुरंत के तुरंत किया जाना. ये कोविड-19 प्रिवेंशन गाइडलाइंस के अंतर्गत आता है. तो हम सकते ही नहीं और चबाना भी अलाउड नहीं है. बल्कि अभी तो मास्क लगा के ही रखना है, तो बोलना भी इतना अलाउड होता नहीं. स्मोकिंग इज ऑल्सो नॉट अलाउड, बट स्मोकिंग की ऐसी कोई भी अभी कोविड की गाइडलाइंस नहीं. बट डेफिनेटली स्मोकिंग से क्या होता है कि फूड आइटम्स में there can be a cross contamination of the chemical hazard. So this is what the things are like. This is आएगा email. Okay. And especially दो चीजें और हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा मेन. एक तो आपका फेस हाइजीन, दूसरा आपका रेस्पिरेटरी हाइजीन. तो फेस हाइजीन भी कवर हो जाता है. याद रखिएगा कोविड से बचने के लिए आपके पास एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. डू नॉट टच योर फेस. Whenever you are dealing in public, you are open to the public exposure, then do not touch your face with your hand or anything else until unless it is very, very important, very, very emergency situation. And if you really have to touch your face, then the face must be cleaned and sanitized. So scratching nose, running fingers through the hair, scratching beard, otherwise any kind of scratching, rubbing eyes, ears and mouth must not be done. क्यों? क्योंकि दो तरीके से कोविड का जो वायरस है दैट कैन एंटर आवर बॉडी. ये तो पता ही है आपको कि इट कैन एंटर थ्रू नोज, माउथ एज वेल एज आईज. तो if somebody has sneezed upon you, किसी ने आपको कुछ छींकी दिया, coughed over you, only then it can actually enter, or you are in the close contact of the infected person under 1 meter of the area. So, and the person is not wearing the mask, or even if he is wearing the mask, ये तो डायरेक्टली अगर जाएगा. अदरवाइज यू विल हार्म योरसेल्फ. कहते हैं ना कि जिस अपने ही हाथों से अपना गला रेत लेना. तो अगर अपने हाथ को आपने चेहरे पे लगाया और इससे पहले हाथ में किसी भी टच पॉइंट को या सरफेस कंटेमिनेशन जो झेल रही है, जो भी कंटेमिनेटेड सरफेसेस है वहां पे आपको तो नहीं पता ना कि which surface can be contaminated. So if you have touched some contaminated surfaces, then you have touched your face, a high risk to which the COVID-19 virus can enter your respiratory system. So the best way to break this chain is do not touch your face. So all food handlers must additionally adopt these all things. Otherwise, what are the personal hygiene specific areas, specific conditions in Schedule 4? No loose clothing, no jewelry, trimmed hairs, no nail paint, trimmed nails, hairnet, mask, no perfume, no open cuts. If there's small scratch on the cuts, then you can actually dress it by the band-aids, and no mobile phones. So these are the personal cleaning and hygiene things that has to be always maintained. So of course, this is a very common poster. You might have seen it everywhere over there. So one side we say what are the do's and other side we say what are the don'ts. क्या करें क्या ना करें क्या नहीं करना है लूज क्लोथिंग नहीं करनी है हेयर नेट को प्रॉपर पहनना है हेयर नहीं बाहर आने चाहिए ज्वेलरी नहीं होना चाहिए ज्वेलरी में केबल कुछ जगह पे अदरवाइज भी केबल वेडिंग रिंग से अलाउ है दैट इज ऑल्सो clean but avoid these all things are doing safety shoes wherever required must be and what are the uniform and footwear requirements? So there must be a footmark at the entrance. There must be restricted inter-facility movement, uniform, clean shoes. And if somebody is a visitor, he must follow visitor policy before entering and during the visit of the any storage facility. What are the points that comes under the visitor policy? Can anyone explain?
So, shall I attempt the answer?
Yeah, Vinod, please.
So, as a visitor, once you visit to any storage plant or any manufacturing plant, so one at the entrance, so they should where the person is coming from and what is the purpose. Then, for the safety checks, so one should declare that the person is not infected with any disease or any communicable disease, or any he has any other disease that can pass on through him to the plant workers. And then he should remove all his jewelry, watch, ring, all those things. Then he should get the PPE, the protective gears, and then once all the declarations are done, then he can enter the plant through the proper entrance with
Right,
all the prerequisite checks.
right. And the person must be escorted by one person,
Yeah.
and there must be some identification given to the person so that other people can identify that he is a visitor, like a visitor placard or visitor card that he must wear in the neck or the arm. So a good point, which very good, and thank you for elaborating it. Great.
Thank you.
So the visitor policy has to be followed, and you can use posters wherever the wash machine for the hand wash is there. Whenever there is a particular hand washing area. So hand washing is must, even if there's very less requirement of washing hands. If you are arranging for hand washing for the people, you are doing a good cause activity for saving the life of the people during the COVID-19 pandemic. So when we need to wash hand? Whenever you are entering a manufacturing or production area or storage area, after using bathroom, anytime hand gets dirty, anytime gloves are taken off, after wearing on a job task before moving, and after sneezing or coughing or blowing nose, you must wash your hands. For how many times? For how much duration? Duration minimum 20 seconds as suggested by WHO, but in the food it has to be somewhere around 30 to 40 seconds because that much time actually is taken to wash the hands properly. How shall we wash the hands? So there are 8 steps. One, simply first wet your hands with clean running water. Then take some soap and put together to make some lather, make some foam, and rub palm to palm. Then rub one palm over the back of other palm and clean in between the fingers and repeat with another hand. Rub hands together between the fingers and back of the fingers, palm of the both areas, twist the thumb, do not forget the thumb, rub fingertips around the palm, and when all areas are covered of the hands, you can simply rinse it downwards in the running water, and after rinsing it, simply take a paper towel, simply dry it, and with the paper towel itself, close the tap and throw the paper towel. And if you have to open the handle, then open the handle with the paper towel itself, and then your hands will be clean. And after you can use the sanitizer if available. So this is simple hand washing. For the hand washing, there are a lot of videos over the internet you can watch. But I will tell you one thing that whenever you are doing, whenever you are training this activity, whenever you want to train people, then you have to do while training. So you have to do the live demo, you have to engage people, you have to tell them to do it, let's do it together. Like the virtually, you can virtually say that let's assume there's a wash machine, let's assume there's a hand wash, let's assume that there's water coming out. And of course, so I ask him one question. Whenever I start this activity of training people, especially whenever they are the food handlers, I ask them to answer a few questions. Like I ask them, so tell me what is the bare minimum requirement? What is the one thing that you must have so that you can wash your hands? Can anyone answer? आपके पास कम से कम क्या होना चाहिए ताकि आप हैंड वॉश कर सकें? एक चीज.
Sanitizer.
Sanitizer. Answer the same.
Water, at least water.
At least water, and
soap.
soap. इससे भी और भी रिक्वायरमेंट है चीज की जो आपके पास होनी चाहिए.
So the minimum
Soap requires
zero
some-
level, I think.
soap requires
must have
water.
water.
But the hand sanitizer itself is.
हाँ ठीक है. सैनिटाइजर. विपाशा क्या बता रहे हो आप?
मैं बोल रही थी कि the least requirement जो है वो तो water ही है.
वो water है.
अगर एकदम zero पे ले जाए तो.
एक वाटर से भी एक छोटी रिक्वायरमेंट है.
Yes, sir. The will to wash hands.
Intention.
Oh. Now you
Intention
are
to.
thinking, oh,
हाँ,
so this is called lateral thinking. Intention should be there. Willingness,
जी जी
fear,
जी.
fear, fear of COVID is to be there. But I tell you, my friends, that to wash your hands, you must have hands. आपके पास हाथ होने चाहिए. तो है ना हाथ? तो बजाते एक बार तालियां, बजाइए तालियां. So this is this is a lighter way to involve your participants, है ना? तो करें क्या एक बार कैमरा खोलो क्या आप लोग अपना तो we can do this virtually.
ये आइस ब्रेक.
I voice is breaking or ice is breaking.
ना ना आइस ब्रेकिंग.
So of course break some ice and then we have to make some good chilled beverages. So ice breaking करिए, involve करिए and make it as light, but give some logics also on every time. For example, the second question comes like that. What we should do first? We should apply the hand wash liquid, or we should rinse our hands first.
We should open the tap first.
More of the literal thinking. So we need to open the tap. और सबसे पहले हमको क्या है कि हाथ एक बार धो लेके ताकि धूल मिट्टी चले जाए, पानी साफ बह जाए. फिर क्या होता है, हैंड वॉश लीजिए और हैंड वॉश को सीधा केवल लगा नहीं लेना है. सबसे पहले क्या करना होता है, झाग बनाना जरूरी है. थोड़ा झाग बनाइए. सो आई ऑल्सो डू अलॉन्ग विद, ओके बनाइए झाग. सो सम लेजी पीपल डोंट डू दिस, so you keep on calling their name. Okay, so do some light torture. So you are really tired today, you can't wash your hand properly. So people get involved, they feel like, oh, this is so simple thing, why making this big issue. So that's how people learn. Whenever you are in the lighter mode, whenever you are able to involve people, whenever you are able to provoke certain questions, trigger something in their mind, this is actually the learning mechanism that in the adult you follow. So because why I'm telling these all things to you guys, because further you have to train people. Language definitely play a role, but moreover the way you actually do is a greater role. So this is called participative learning. You have to do that. All right, so it is 1:20. भूख लगी है क्या?
सर हाथ खोलिए हैं तो अब खाना खा ही लें सर.
गुड गुड. रौनक जी कहाँ पर है आपका ये?
सर आई एम नियर ग्वालियर, शिवपुरी, a place called शिवपुरी near ग्वालियर.
ओके गुड. मैंने सोचा कि यही आसपास होते तो फिर बोल के आपको हाथ भिजवाई देते. ऑलराइट, सो ग्रेट गाइस. तो 1:20 हो रहा है. हम लोग 2 बजे तक हो जाएगा ना. 2:10 तक रिज्यूम करेंगे, ठीक है ना?
सर ओके, थैंक यू.
फिक्स करेंगे
जी जी
2:10 पे. जाओ 2:10.
ठीक है जी.
ग्रेट सर.
ओके जी, थैंक यू.
ठीक है.
Thank you.